All right, we're going to take a little ride here in a 1971 Vega. I'm not going to talk while I'm driving it because it's too loud. But I'll show you some more pictures and video once we're done. But it's a little street beast and really cool car. All right, here we go. Fire in a hole. Turbo power. We have an exhaust system for it, but the turbos kind of act like an exhaust, so like muffler, so you really don't need it, but it'd be a little quieter. Pretty cool car, 350 twin turbos, turbo 400 automatic trans, got some cheater slicks in the back. All right, we're going to do our walk around here with our little 1971 Chevy Vega GT race car. Yeah, it's street legal mostly. You know, you don't have to pass a smog in 1971. It's got brake lights and turn signals and brakes and all that good stuff, seat belts. But it's pretty cool. It's got a cheap old paint job on it, little scuffs and scrapes and from dragging it in a trailer and things like that. Underneath looks real good. All the work that was done was high quality, you know. I mean, you want to be safe when you're going up the track. It's got non-power disc brakes. Those are a little scary when you stand on them, but you know, it's kind of how it is. But it's got a 350 aluminum heads, twin turbo. It was dynoed at I think 524 horsepower, 611 foot-pounds of torque by Full Throttle Customs out here, local. Got MSD ignition, aluminum radiator, electric fans, oil cooler. Pretty cool. It's uncorked right now. We have a muffler system that comes out the side exit. Looks pretty cool. We just leave them off. You know, robs a little power when you put them back on, but if you want it quieter, probably still loud. But it's got the bigs and littles, Weld racing wheels, all polished nice. We just put these brand new Hoosiers on the back. The other ones were a little old and cracked. But pretty cool car. I'll open it up for you here. Got a full cage in it. It's done right. It's attached to the chassis underneath. These bars are a little tough to get in and out of, but you can always cut those and make them so they're swing away. That's probably what I would do if I was going to keep it. But got some comfortable bucket seats with headrest. All custom odometer gauges, original steering wheel, original door panels, original dash, little competition shifter, Hurst shifter. It's got a 300 shot of nitrous. It's kind of cool. I would have chose not to do that, but it's got a sunroof. Pretty cool car. Street or strip, something to have fun with. Vegas are cool. Especially when they got a 500 horsepower V8 in them. Cool car. Here's that power plant again I was talking about. But again, 350 Vortec aluminum heads, twin turbos. These are the little Ray J turbos. I think they're like airplane turbos. Turbo 400. Go ahead and fire this bad boy up for you. It's going to be kind of fun, me getting in this car. Ugh. There we go. See, it's not so bad. All right, you got your fuel pump, your fans. This one's nitrous. This one's interior lights. And it's got a push button start. Like I said, not super pretty, but actually don't look too bad. And if you live in California, you can have those back in black license plates. AC/DC. Pretty cool car. If you want to come out and see it in person, come see us at California Cars, 2158 Union Place, city of Simi Valley, California. Phone number is 818-591-1313. Happy to show it to you in person. Can't really promise a test drive, but you never know. All right, thanks for watching.